start of it, we were getting a lot of pushback from the librarians and a lot of requests from them to find a way for IT to take over the day-to-day troubleshooting and issues that are happening at schools. And we thought if we could get to a point where the students are trained up to do it, it doesn't always have to be the technician there. Yeah, you're gonna keep that one, you're good to go. Sorry to make you come down.
It's amazing, and especially when you think of the kids who typically are interested in doing this kind of stuff. They are oftentimes a little bit more introverted,
Sure.
Quiet, and so to put them in a position where they become the expert.
I think it's pretty cool. I think it's cool to be able to like have basically what feels like a job at school. It's almost like the equivalent of an internship. It's not really an internship, and it's fun.
It feels pretty good. I mean, I'm walking through the halls and people are like, hey, when's my computer gonna be done?
And especially this program forces them to have some kind of the soft skills and social skills, because a lot of people think IT, you don't deal with people, but to figure out what an issue is, what's actually the problem, to get something checked in, to get something checked out, to deal with people on their worst day, you have to learn to talk to people, you have to learn to interact with them.
See you in a second.
See you in a second, I'll see you in third.
Like yours did.
So anytime they have the opportunity to have to speak to a person and find out what the problem is and troubleshoot with them, that's gonna give them so much back that they probably won't even realize now.
It's just fun. It's a positive environment. I really like tech, and it's something I just get to do. Like, I get to look forward to this class.
People really like that I fix computers. Like, I'm friends with a bunch of people now that I probably would never even know before.